Welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going review about the Smoothie Diet program. This review videos are based on facts. We fully research all of the product and look for real user experiences. So in our reviews there is no bias, no scam and no hype. Let's start it. It's called the Smoothie Diet. This is hands down the best, healthiest, safest, most satisfying diet I've ever found to help you blast through fat and reach your goal weight. But wait, before continue this video, make sure you hit subscribe button first and write down in comment section if you're already subscribed, so you know when we launch new videos. The Smoothie Diet was created by Drew Segudas, a board-certified health coach and nutrition expert. What makes the Smoothie Diet so different? The plan is simple. For 21 days, you swap out 2 of your 3 meals with delicious, hearty, nutrient-dense smoothies. That's it. You can still have snacks and one whole food-based meal throughout the day, and you won't have to stress about planning them since the Smoothie Diet Guide includes sample meals and snacks plus vegetarian options. If you choose, you can use a flex day every week where you just eat 3 healthy meals. They're all spelled out inside the Smoothie Diet. This way, it's very convenient. Collectively, Coach Drew has helped his Smoothie Diet community lose more than 40,000 pounds, and keep the weight off. I know this is all new to you, so I want to help you decide if this is the right program for you. Here is just a tiny fragment of ways that the Smoothie Diet is different from other weight loss programs. It's no miracle diet. The Smoothie Diet is a sustainable, healthy eating plan that allows you to lose weight over 21 days, and gives you the option of either continuing on afterward or returning to all solid meals. This diet is not a fad or a trick. It's easy to follow and anyone can do it. It was made for busy people. If you're busy, then you're about to fall in love with a diet. Yes, you read that correctly. As long as you can set aside about 20 minutes to make the smoothies in the morning, you'll have all the time you need to make this diet work for you. You don't have to give up food. This isn't just a smoothie diet. You drink 2 smoothies every day, but you still eat a whole healthy meal and snacks every day. Samples are provided in the Smoothie Diet Guide. If you need or want a break, you can add in a flex day every week and just eat regular foods, following the included Smoothie Diet Guide. This flexibility makes it easy to manage, even if your schedule is unpredictable. Here's a breakdown of what you get with the Smoothie Diet. 36 delicious, filling smoothie recipes to help you blast through fat and lose weight consistently, without feeling deprived. Weekly shopping lists to make it simple to stay on track. A 21-day rapid fat loss plan that tells you which smoothie to have when for maximum results. Smoothie making tips and prep guide so you can be prepared and not reach for sugar when 4 p.m. cravings hit. A 60-page guide to tell you everything you need to know to succeed on the program. A quick start guide to make it easy to begin. A 3-day detox plan. This is optional to help you drop the first few pounds ASAP. Why is the Smoothie Diet so effective? Weight loss is 80% diet and 20% exercise. This smoothie diet cuts out all the awful foods that are making you gain weight while boosting your metabolism, cutting your cravings, and reducing your caloric intake without ever leaving you hungry. Plus, the Smoothie Diet is insanely convenient. Convenience is the single biggest factor that leads to diet success or failure. If something is hard, you're unlikely to stick with it. If it's a breeze, then why wouldn't you follow through? The best thing about the Smoothie Diet is that it helps you keep losing weight even after the 21 days are over. Many of Drew's clients choose to swap out 1 meal per day with a smoothie for a few more weeks or months. And since it's already a habit and you already love the smoothies, it's easy to keep going until you hit your goal weight. Whether you want to lose 10 pounds or 70 pounds, you'll be able to make it happen with the Smoothie Diet. The price of the Smoothie Diet program is only just $37 and there is 60 days money-back guarantee, so what are you waiting for? Click link below in the description to go to official page. If you love with kind of videos like this, leave comment, share with your friends and hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.